Let's be honest for a second. Belly fat is the most stubborn, most annoying, and most confidence-killing fat on the body. You can lose weight from your face, arms, or legs, but that belly, it feels like it just refuses to go. And here's the biggest myth people still believe. I just need to do more abs workouts. That's not how belly fat works. And today, I'll explain what actually works, why it works, and how you can start seeing results faster than you think. First, why belly fat is so stubborn. Belly fat isn't just about looks. It's closely connected to hormones, stress, sleep, and daily habits. When your body is stressed, it releases cortisol, a hormone that literally tells your body to store fat around the stomach. So if you sleep late, skip meals, overtrain, stress a lot, sit all day, your body holds on to belly fat even harder. That's why two people can eat the same food and do the same workout, but get very different results. Truth number one, you can't spot reduce fat. Let's clear this up once and for all. You cannot burn fat from only one area. Crunches won't magically melt belly fat. What crunches do, strengthen abs, do not burn belly fat directly. Fat loss happens overall, and the belly is usually the last place to shrink. The key is creating the right environment in your body so fat loss speeds up naturally. Truth number two, nutrition matters more than exercise. If your goal is faster belly fat loss, food comes first, but not starving, not cutting everything, not extreme dieting. Here's what actually works. 1. Eat enough protein. Protein helps you feel full longer, reduce cravings, protect muscle, burn more calories digesting food. Add protein to every meal. Eggs, chicken, fish, yogurt, lentils, beans. Even small improvements here can change your body shape in weeks. 2. Stop drinking your calories. This one change alone helps many people lose belly fat. Avoid sugary drinks, packed juices, excess tea with sugar, soft drinks. Drink water, black coffee, green tea, lemon water, no sugar. Liquid calories don't fill you up, but they go straight to fat storage. 3. Control carbs, don't eliminate them. Carbs aren't the enemy. The problem is refined carbs, late-night heavy carbs, overeating portions. Choose rice in controlled amounts, oats, fruits, potatoes, whole grains. Balance is the secret, not extremes. Truth number 4, walking is underrated for belly fat. You don't need to run every day. You don't need crazy HIIT sessions. One of the best fat-burning tools is simple walking. Why? Low stress on the body, low cortisol, sustainable daily habit. Aim for 7,000 to 10,000 steps a day. Walking after meals is even better. It improves digestion and blood sugar control. Truth number 5, sleep is a fat loss tool. Most people ignore this and then wonder why nothing works. Less sleep equals more hunger. More hunger equals more belly fat. When you sleep poorly, hunger hormones increase, cravings spike, fat loss slows. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. No phone in bed, no late-night scrolling. Your body burns fat while you rest if you let it. Truth number 6, stress can block your progress. You can eat clean, you can exercise, but if stress is high, belly fat stays. Simple stress reducers, deep breathing, short walks, stretching, quiet time, less overthinking results. Fat loss works best when your body feels safe, not panicked. How fast can you lose belly fat? Let's be realistic. You won't get a flat stomach in 3 days, but you can reduce bloating in 1 week, feel tighter in 2 weeks, see visible change in 3 to 4 weeks. Consistency beats motivation. Small daily habits beat extreme plans. Final truth, you don't need supplements, fat burners, starvation. or endless ab workouts. You need better habits, smart eating, movement, sleep, and patience. Belly fat isn't stubborn, it's protective. Once your body feels balanced, it lets go. If you found this helpful, remember, your body is not the problem. The approach was. Stay consistent, trust the process, and the results will come faster than you think.